Welcome to the Aldo Aprile podcast, where we talk about taxes and money. Today's topic is meals and entertainment. In 2021 and 2022, the government made meals expenses deductible at a rate of 100%. Unfortunately, for 2023, that's no longer the case. So let's talk about meals and entertainment. What's not deductible? What is deductible? And if so, at what rate? So let's talk about first and foremost about what's not deductible. Let's talk about entertainment. So in most instances, entertainment expenses are not deductible on your business tax return. Now let's take a deeper look and see what entertainment expenses are or what their definition is. So I'm going to read actually something from the IRS. It basically defines entertainment as any activity which is of a type generally considered to constitute entertainment, amusement, or recreation. Yeah, sounds like an attorney wrote it, right? So they also provide a list of examples. Some of them are going to be bars, theaters, country clubs, golf and athletic clubs, even if they're dues and memberships. So you cannot take that angle either. Also, sporting events, hunting trips, fishing trips, or any other type of vacation are also not deductible. So that's very extensive. That went into effect in 2018. With that said, there is a couple of exceptions in which you are actually able to deduct entertainment expenses. The first one is going to be entertainment expenses if they're for the benefit of your employees. So if you're a business owner and you want to take care of your employees, for example, provide them with a holiday party or a summer picnic or a team outing, team building events, also some kind of a work trip, as long as they're there for the benefit of your employees, they may be deductible. Let me give you an example that may not be deductible. So let's say, for example, you're the owner of a company and you're the only employee. Unfortunately, you as the owner cannot take yourself out to a fishing trip and deduct that as a business expense, claiming that is for the benefit of the employees. That's just not going to fly. The second exception is if the entertainment is part of the trade of your business. So what does that mean? So let me give you an example. So let's say you have a bar or a restaurant and you have live music to entertain your guests. So the entertainment is definitely going to be deductible in that situation. Now, let's say you're an influencer and you review amusement parks. The expenses that you pay for your tickets, and if you're reviewing the food as well at the amusement parks, they're going to be part of your trade and business, and therefore they're going to be deductible. So those are the only two options. The rest of the expenses are not going to be deductible. There is some requirements in regards to how things are done, so definitely check with your tax professional. Now let's talk about meals. So meals, as I said before, in 2021 and 2022, they were 100% deductible as long as you were buying from restaurants. That's no longer the case. With that said, there are some instances in which meals are still 100% deductible. That's right, 100% deductible. So let me tell you about what kind of meals qualify to be 100% deductible. So the meals that are qualified for that are going to be, remember I talked to you about the entertainment expenses for the benefit of employees? Well, guess what? The food that you spend during those entertainment expenses for your employees are also 100% deductible. So holiday parties, picnics, outings, those type of things are 100% deductible. Food and beverage offered, if you have an office or a shop or something, you provide them water, coffee, snacks, that's also 100% deductible. Meals provided for the convenience of the employer, so you as the business owner, employer. So let's say, for example, you have employees and they need to work through lunch or they need to stay longer and you cater a meal for them. That meal is going to be deductible. Again, that's is for the convenience of the employer. Last but not least is, if you have food for events, you're providing food for events to support a charitable cause. So you're sponsoring the food for an event, that may be 100% deductible as well. So let's take a look and see what's 50% deductible. Um, Usually, most of your expenses, meal expenses, are going to be that. So one is going to be the usual meals, business meals with clients or customers. Uh, if you buy food for the office, such as soda, coffee, snacks, that type of deal, and it's for the benefit of the employees, that's also deductible. Meals provided in during the office meetings, or open meetings or owners meetings as well. Meals while traveling for work, or if you attend a conference. All of those type of expenses are going to be deductible at 50%. Now, make sure to document your expenses. You're supposed to, if you have expenses that are over $75, you're supposed to keep records and records. So that will include the date of the meal, purpose of the meal, the name and information about the people who attended the meal, name of the venue, total amount of the bill, including tax and tip. Most of these things are going to be included if you pay with a credit card, or some kind of payment option. So just keep your records on that. Make some notes in regards to who attended that meeting, and just keep it for your records. So if in the case you get audited, you have that supporting documentation. So thank you for your time. If you found this information valuable, share it with your friends. And you can follow me at Apriles CPA on all social media. Till next time.